Welcome back to Tool Time Tuesday. I'm Greg, and look what we just got in. Glacern machine tools, vise. And let me tell you what, that is one heavy box when it gets here. But I have to admit, triple layer cardboard, they really package stuff well. This thing was so heavy I went ahead and unboxed it, so I apologize for that. It comes in a, the vise is wrapped in this blue plastic that's all oiled up so nothing rusts. They do an incredible job. And then it's inside another box with packing, and then it's foam stuffed on all around. I mean, the packaging was incredible. One of the best packaged things I have received in years. So my hat's off to them for their packaging. Incredible. Then once you get past that, take a look at what you get. The 6-inch premium CNC vise from GMT Tools. Extremely well built, heavy, hardened jaws, removable. The holes are inset. Everything's parallel precision ground, so you can actually flip the vise up on side and maintain parallelism. Chip guard, smooth running. Very impressed with the screw inside here. It's very well made. I can't say enough about this vise. It's very nicely ground. It looks just incredible. And let me tell you what, I gotta sit the camera down here for a second because I can hardly pick the thing up. It is very well made. It's serviceable. You can move the jaws to the back, to the front, like just about any other good vise you can. But very impressed with it. Actually, I'm more impressed with this than my Kurt that I've currently got on my mill. The Kurt, which is back here, is a very good vise. But I tell you what, I have to admit, I'm more impressed with the GMT than I am the Kurt. Jeep Bell House to in 500 adapter B45 to a GI-V8. Put this between really should have been transmission when it really the Jeep the input to the transmission barely engaged the shaft pilots and the crankshaft, wallered it out. We took an 1/8 inch bearing off of each side, so we put the transmission shop into the side crankshaft like it's subby, so that walled up the throw the pilot bearing should or out make things work, make the guy bearing. But one of the things I have to give you, you buy that vise, is not only do they give you the whole metal pieces, but they give you the bolts. Now, I don't know if you can see those or not. See if I can get this bag open with one hand. Not only do they give you the T-nuts that fit the Tormach, which is on the way, but they also send along the bolts that would fit a traditional mill. So, I mean, they send you everything you could possibly need to hold that big vise down. Very impressed with their quality and what they send to you. I like it a lot. Very impressed with it. hats off again to GMT Tools. Go check them out. They got a great website. Check out their deals, their discounts. We were able to get free shipping because of Father's Day, so it was a great deal. Love it. More to come. Y'all have a great day.